My 3 days of ownership, I changed the oil 7 times. That's a lot more oil than I normally put in cars. Number one most important step, and I can't stress this enough, I actually have a 23-part series, link in my description. It's a full guide on how to pull motors. So now at this step, you're gonna make sure that your motor has no resale value at all. So there's no oil in the vehicle, and we're gonna go ahead and rev the piss out of it. You hear that?
No.
You can't hear it, you said? That means your motor's